General requirements for metering systems. 101. Design and selection criteria. Type. Metering systems should be designed to measure the flow of liquids or gases with high accuracy and reliability. Types of meters include turbine meters, ultrasonic and Coriolis meters. Turbine meters, 0.25% of reading. Ultrasonic meters, 1.15% of reading. Coriolis meters, 0.1% of reading. Repeatability, better than -0.03 kilograms milligram. Drift, 0.015% reading year. Materials, wetted parts should be stainless steel, unless otherwise specified for specific fluid process conditions. Electronic data, meters should support HART or Modbus communication protocol for configuration and diagnostics. Output signal should be a standard 4 to 20 milliamperes with digital signal superimposed for HART communication. 2. Installation. General installation. Metering systems should be mounted in accessible locations for ease of maintenance and calibration. Mounting arrangements should prevent vibration and provide protection against environmental conditions such as temperature fluctuations, humidity, and corrosive atmospheres. Use appropriate brackets, clamps, or stands for secure mounting. Ensure proper cable management to avoid interference and damage to wiring. Specific installation requirements. Meters should be installed in straight runs of pipe to ensure accurate measurement, with minimum upstream and downstream straight lengths as per manufacturer recommendations. Strainers should be installed upstream to prevent debris from damaging the meter. Pressure and temperature transmitters should be installed to correct measured values for accurate volume flow calculations. Upstream straight lengths for ultrasonic meters should follow specific diameter-dependent lengths. USM DN 600 equal 40D, USM DN 500 equals 30D, USM DN 300 equal 23D. Flow conditioners can be used to reduce size and improve metering accuracy, provided the design is based on accepted practices and/or tests. 3. Service and vendor requirements. Service. Instruments should be designed for ease of servicing, with clear labeling and documentation for each component. All instruments must be fitted with vent and drain facilities, with hazardous fluids being piped to appropriate drainage networks. Instruments should be insulated and/or heated and/or fitted with process separators where fluid characteristics and/or temperature conditions can affect performance and reliability. Vendor requirements. Vendors must provide all necessary certifications to support specified test requirements such as seismic, chemical, and physical testing. Vendors should have a QA/QC program in place and should be ISO 9000 certified. Calibration must be performed individually on each instrument with appropriate tags indicating readiness for installation. Vendors should supply frequency and stress analysis calculations for thermowells, demonstrating suitability for specific line velocities and conditions. 4. Calculations and additional specifications. Metering calculations. Meters must conform to relevant calculations for accuracy and stability, complying with API Manual of Petroleum Measurement Standards. Pulse fidelity should be maintained, with dual transmission verification to ensure continuous accuracy. Pressure drop across the metering system should be minimized, not exceeding 1 bar without control valves and 2 bars with control valves. Environmental protection. Instruments must be protected against environmental factors such as humidity, salt air, and corrosive atmospheres. Enclosures should provide appropriate levels of ingress protection, e.g. IP65 for outdoor unprotected installations. Instruments in potentially explosive atmospheres should comply with relevant IEC standards and be appropriately certified. *5. Application-specific data. Custody, transfer, and fiscal metering. Systems should meet the accuracy requirements for custody transfer applications as per API standards. Calibration should be traceable to national standards, and systems should include facilities for proving and verification. Special considerations. Systems should include non-resettable counters for permanent record of error counts and signal irregularities. Security features should be implemented to prevent unauthorized access and tampering with metering data. Meters should be designed to handle reverse flow without damage and should be pressure balanced to prevent measurement errors. Technical data summary. Accuracy. Turbine meters, apply 0.25% of reading. Ultrasonic meters, apply 0.15% of reading. Coriolis meters, minus 0.1% of reading. Output signal, 4 to 20 milliamps with heart communication. Material, stainless steel. Mounting, vibration resistant, environmentally protected, easily accessible. Calibration, regular intervals as per manufacturer's recommendations. Environmental protection, IP65 rating for outdoor installations. Service and vendor requirements, certifications for seismic, chemical, and physical testing. QA/QC program in place. Individual calibration with tags. Frequency and stress analysis calculations for thermowells. 6. Installation considerations. Straight length requirements. Upstream straight lengths for ultrasonic meters should be diameter dependent. USM DN600 equal 40D, USM DN 530D, USM DN 300. 23D. Flow conditioners can be used to reduce size and improve metering accuracy if validated by accepted practices or tests. Skid arrangements. Metering systems should be mounted on skids for easy transportation and installation. Skids should include inlet and outlet headers with flanged connections to the parent line. Closed drain and vent headers should be included, with connections defined by the contractor. Isolation valves upstream of the meters should be manually operated, while downstream valves should be motor-operated double block and bleed with relieving facilities. Skids should be provided with lifting lugs and earthing lugs for safety and ease of handling. Skid-mounted equipment considerations. Skid construction should allow for easy operation and maintenance of all equipment, with graded floor-type walkways, handrails, and ladders as required. Skid-mounted systems should include all necessary pipework, instrumentation, and cabling to minimize site work. Structural steelwork should be designed according to relevant standards and provide adequate support and access for all components. These detailed requirements ensure the reliability, accuracy, and safety of metering systems in various industrial applications.